I used to think every ending meant something was taken from me. Now I think some things were only meant to pass through and still change everything. The sunlight on the dashboard, windows open to the breeze, and for the first time in a long time, my chest finally feels free. I still remember your green eyes dancing underneath downtown lights, and honestly I wouldn't change it, even knowing our goodbye. Cause you were part of my becoming, part of who I am today. Some people leave like storms but still teach your heart to stay. And every wrong turn, every sleepless night, every moment I thought broke me was still part of my life. So thank you for the rain, thank you for the pain, for every moment love didn't stay the same. Thank you for the nights I thought I wouldn't heal, for teaching me that broken hearts can still become something real. And thank you for your love, even if it had to end. Some people leave your life and still become part of it. Not haunted like before, and every song we used to play feels warmer than before. I stopped needing forever to believe that love was true. Some things only last a moment and still change you. And maybe growing up is learning not to hold too tight, letting memories stay beautiful without trying to bring them back to life. And now I see nothing was not the tears, not the time, not us. So thank you for the rain, thank you for the pain, for every piece of me that healed and rearranged. Thank you for your heart, for every late night drive, for teaching me that love can end and still be one of the best things in your life. And thank you for goodbye, for teaching me to grow. Some people are forever even after letting go. Thank you for the scars, they showed me I could heal. For every time the darkness came and taught me how to feel. Thank you for the memories still glowing in my mind. Some loves don't stay forever, but still leave a light behind. Some loves don't stay forever, but still leave light behind. Some loves don't stay forever, but still leave light behind.